hate Canadians so much? Is it because... Why do you hate Canadians so much? Is it because I'm a potato? Is that why? Hey guys, so in today's video, well, I guess only video in this channel, will be how to make channel point redeems for Snapchat filters using StreamerBot. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this clip from one of my streams. People like doing stuff, right? People being scary while you're on the train. And I remember it's super simple, so let's get into it. And before I forget, I do stream on Twitch. I play mostly story-based, puzzle, and sometimes horror games. And if you're into that, please drop a follow. I really appreciate it. And since you're here, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel? I will try and post gameplay, Twitch VODs, and tutorials. So if you want more tutorials like this, please subscribe. But anyways, let's get right into the video. There are a couple things that you would need to have this effect. So of course you would need OBS, you would need Snap Camera, and you would also need StreamerBot. To download StreamerBot, go to Streamer.bot. And right here, StreamerBot. This is what we'll use to create the channel point effect. So just make sure to download that. Next, download Snap Camera. There will be a link in the description. The website should look like this, and make sure to just download it. So once you have it downloaded, make sure you extract the file. So just right click, extract files, just click OK, and it should extract it. I made a folder just called Twitch on my desktop, and this is where I'm putting all of it. You can put it anywhere, but I would suggest putting it on the same folder, putting everything on the same folder so it's much easier. So on the StreamerBot folder, make sure you open it up. Now I know it looks intimidating once you open it up, but it's super simple. First we need to do is connect it to Twitch. So just click connect to Twitch down here. It should open up a browser. If you're already logged into Twitch, it should already do this. And you just need to click authorize, but if not, you just need to log in. So it's quick and easy. Click authorize, and now you can close this site. Once it's authorized, you should see down here now it says disconnect from Twitch. So that's how you know that it's already good. Go to actions, right click, and add. So this is the action that will activate the filter. So I want to make my face cam turn into a potato, kind of like the clip that I showed at the start. So I'll just name it potato filter. Click OK, and go to settings, settings tab, general, and over here click blocking and type in face filter and click add. This just means that if a face filter is already redeemed, then it's gonna wait until that's done to activate the next filter. If two people redeem the same filter or multiple filters at the same time, then you don't have it conflicting with each other. Go back to the action tabs up here and double click on potato filter and make sure the Q is on face filter and click OK. Make sure it's highlighted blue, and right click on sub actions, add action, go to logic and set argument, and on variable name just type in path. On the value here, we'll leave that empty for now, so click OK. Then right click again on sub actions, add action, perform command, and then type in %, path, and then %. Alright, and then add a delay. This will be how long the filter will stay on. So for now we'll have that at 10,000 milliseconds, meaning it'll be the filter will be on for 10 seconds. Okay, then right click on perform command on the one above the delay and duplicate action, and then it should paste it down here, and that should be it for now. So create a folder wherever you want. Like I said, it's better if you have it on the same folder. So I have a Twitch folder that has StreamerBot, and make sure you add, you can create a folder wherever you want, but make sure you know where it is. Create a new folder, name it keyboard shortcuts. Open it up, click on view up here, and make sure file name extensions is checkmarked. I'll explain it later, but make sure that's checkmarked. Right click on the folder, new text document. Since we want our face to turn into a potato, I'll just name it potato, and then here it says .txt. Remove that txt part and replace it with VBS, and Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. So that's why we went to view and file name extensions, because we want to see the .txt so that we can change it. After that, right click, edit, paste this text that I have in the description below. Basically what this does is it will send a keyboard combination when you run the program. So what this is running is Control Shift Alt F12. So just file, save, and you can close it. Right click on potato.vbs, go to properties, go to security, and make sure to copy this object name, and then click OK, and go back to StreamerBot. In StreamerBot, see we have the potato filter. You remember when we had that set argument path, right? Double click on that and make sure the value for that path will be the one that the text that we just copied, which is the path to potato.vbs. Okay, click OK, and that should be it for that. Go to channel point rewards. Here, if you have your Twitch connected, it should show all your channel points here. If you have one already face filter, then you can double click on that, but if not, you can just right click, add, and then I can do potato filter. Let's just name it potato filter. On action, make sure it's the potato filter action that we just created. You know, you can change the cost, color, just the same as you would do in Twitch. Click OK, and right there, potato filter, and then the action is potato filter. So now open up Snap Camera. If you go to settings, you can set up the camera that you're using. For me, I'm using EOS, but it's not gonna show on here because I'm using my camera right now. Yeah, that's a bit confusing, but on your end, it should show all your lovely faces on here. When you click on a filter, it should, you know, activate the filter. Now let's search for the filter that we want. So what we wanted was the potato filter. So let's search up potato on here. And I already have it starred on top, but what you can do is once you find a filter that you like, you can click on them to activate to see what you like. Click the star on the top to put it in your favorites. Once it's in your favorites, click on your favorites up here and click on lens hotkeys up here and potato. Remember what we had in the VBS script, right? The keyboard shortcut that we were using is Control Shift Alt F12. So Control Alt Shift F12 and then click save. So whenever we press Control Alt Shift F12, it'll activate the potato filter. So now we can test it out. Since I don't have the camera enabled, the only way we can test out if the filter is working is to see if, for example, the filter is highlighted like that, right? So if I go on my channel point on here on the side, I have one potato filter. Click on it, redeem it, and as you can see, potato is not highlighted. Now on yours, it should change anything on your face, and then after 10 seconds, it should change the filter on your face. And after 10 seconds, it turns off. And that's pretty much it. And it's very easy to replicate for other filters as well. Now, let me show you how to do that. So on StreamerBot, go to actions again and just duplicate the action, the potato filter action. After you duplicate it, right click edit and just rename it. Let's do a pickle. Let's change ourselves into a pickle, which should be fun. So pickle, click OK. On the keyboard shortcut folder, you can just duplicate this as well by right clicking, copy and pasting it. If you paste it, just rename potato copy to pickle, right? .vbs. Right click, edit, and then change the send keys shortcut. I'll have a link in the description below for other keyboard shortcuts that you can use in these VBS send keys. But for now, we'll do Control Shift Alt. Let's try F11. So this will press Control Shift Alt F11, and let's close that. On here on the pickle action, just double click on set argument. And since we store them on the same folder, as in the keyboard shortcuts folder, now we can just go to the end and replace potato with pickle and click OK, and that's pretty much it. Now you can go to channel point rewards, add a new reward called pickle filter, and make sure the action is pickle. And that's pretty much it. It's easy to duplicate, and we can test it out going on Snap Camera again. clicking on lens hotkeys, and I already have the pickle filter on here for Control Alt Shift F11, but yeah, you can search it up here. And if I go search up pickle, it's the first one that I picked. And if we test it out, the pickle filter, as you can see, there it is, it's activated and it works. And after 10 seconds, it just turns off. So that's pretty much it. And because we had it set up, so because on StreamerBot, we had it set up to a queue, a face filter queue, right? Since we have it like that, what can happen is if you activate the potato filter, so if a person activates potato filter and a pickle filter at the same time, like this, as you can see, only potato filter is activated. Then after the potato filter is done, then it activates the pickle filter. That's really good because you don't have conflicting face filters. Hey guys, Editor Glenn here. I completely forgot. So in the description, I will include an import string for StreamerBot. And basically what that does is you can import the action that I've just created to your StreamerBot. So you don't need to create the action yourself. And all you need to do after is create the VBS script and link it to your channel points, and that's basically it. And let me show you how that works. On StreamerBot, after you copy the import string, go to Actions, right click and click Import. And here on import string, just paste it there. And you see that it's an import string because it has a bunch of text that I don't understand. Basically, this is it. Then you click Import and it basically creates the template for you, and you can duplicate this as much as you want to, and you know, you put the path there and all that stuff. So I'll make sure I have that in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're having issues with any of the things I mentioned, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help. All the info I mentioned, like links and things like that, will be in the description, but the import string and the sample VBS script will be in my Discord under the free templates channel. You can find the Discord link in the description. I would love to see you there. I will also link the StreamerBot Discord. There you can talk with people who know StreamerBot more than I do. There are cool examples on there on how to use it, and they're really helpful if you have any issues. The StreamerBot website also has a wiki, so you can check that out. Other than that, I hope to see you on the next video. Like if you like, dislike if you don't. Subscribe for more stuff like this. See ya. Oh, I don't wanna open this door. What is this? I knew it! I knew there was gonna be a jump scare there and I still got scared.